Hey guys, welcome to tutorial group. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your WhatsApp account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your WhatsApp account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar, click over there and type in the address web.whatsapp.com like this and hit on enter, and then you'll be redirected to the web page of or the website of the WhatsApp. And guys, the QR code is loading over here right now. You can see this is our QR code, and over here guys, the website gives us some steps to log into our WhatsApp account. It says here guys, open your WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or settings and select link devices and tap on the link a device and point your phone screen to capture the QR code. If you proceed with these steps with the WhatsApp app on your phone and scan the QR code available over here, you'll be signed into your WhatsApp account on your computer by capturing that QR code. And then guys, this is how you log into your WhatsApp account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.